Box breath is so effective for stress relief and mental focus that it's taught to FBI agents and Navy SEALs to help them perform well under pressure. It combines deep breathing and counting, which quiets a busy mind and stops overthinking. It helps reset the nervous system, lowers stress hormones, and increases oxygen to the brain, which reduces brain fog. It also helps with anxiety and insomnia and even panic attacks. Please note this is for informational and educational purposes only, and breathing practices can cause lightheadedness in some people, so please don't do this while driving or doing anything that requires your full attention. And as always, listen to your body, and if anything feels uncomfortable, just pause and return to your regular breathing pattern. Before we get started, just tune in and notice how calm and clear-headed you're feeling on a scale from 0 to 10, with 10 being the most calm and clear you could feel. And just make a mental note of that number so you can compare how much it shifts afterwards. First, I'll teach you how it works, and then I'll guide you through a 2-minute exercise. The reason it's called box breath is because it's like tracing the 4 sides of a box. So you'll inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 4, and hold for 4, and repeat. And on the inhale, you'll breathe in deeply through your nose into your belly. You can put a hand on your belly so that you can feel it slightly rising and falling. And on the exhale, you'll do that through your mouth. So it's like this. And then we'll repeat. We'll do it 8 times so that it's a 2-minute practice. And since counting helps focus the mind, you can count along silently in your mind along with me. If your mind wanders, just gently bring it back to counting. So go ahead and place a hand on your belly. And before we start, go ahead and exhale fully. And inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, and just return to your normal breathing pattern. Tune into your mind and body and notice where you fall on that scale of calm and mental clarity from 0 to 10. Notice how much it shifted. I hope that you're feeling much calmer and clearer. If this was helpful for you, feel free and click the save button so you can return to it anytime you'd like to be guided. If you practice this on your own, it can also be helpful to visualize a light going around the sides of the box, just as another mental anchor. And research shows that it's even more effective to sprinkle small amounts of this through the day, even if it's just 1 or 2 breaths at a time. If you'd like more quick science-backed stress relief tools, check out the playlist here, or here's another playlist to support your well-being, purpose, and empowerment.